Hello guys, this is Ask Anastasia, and in this video I want to talk about 9 ways to pay less taxes this year. And number one tip is to actually become self-employed. And what I mean by that, it's even if you're working and you're getting paycheck every week, every 2 weeks, it's very easy to start your side hustle. It doesn't matter what it's gonna be, like you can open cleaning business, you can open marketing company. If you're an artist, you can open, um, I don't know, something that doing art. It's actually go to the city and get your license. It's called business license. It's usually about $20, but it's give you so many benefits. And even if you don't make money, let's say first year you're gonna make very little, just do it. This is tip number one. Tip number two, it's to create an S corporation. And S corporation, it may sound really fancy and complicated, but it's basically it's done to save you money. As a self-employed person, you are responsible for paying your Medicare and Social Security taxes, and it's about 15%, so 15.3%. So if you're gonna have an S corporation, and let's say this S corporation, you make $50,000, requirements is to pay yourself a reasonable salary, and the rest of the money you can take it as like distribution to you, from which you don't have to pay this 15%. So if you're talking about companies that make $50,000 gross, let's say that your expenses, it's $30,000. So it's leaving you with like $20,000, and your reasonable salary can be like $10,000, that you take it for yourself. And you're paying all this Social Security deduction, it's a lot of deduction, but you're saving money on another $10,000, which is like $1,500 for a year, which is not bad. The second, number three deduction that most people don't take it, it's your car. And for your car, if you're driving it for your business, like I'm doing property management and I'm in real estate, so most of the time I use my car driving to the rentals, and you can use two different ways to deduct this money. Number one, you can deduct mileage, and this year I believe it's 57.5 cents per mile. I don't know why they use this half. It's crazy. Don't you think it's crazy? If you do, please smash this like button. It's really helping me. Thank you. So you can deduct mileage. Let's say you drive 10,000 miles and it's 57.5. So you can deduct like $5,700 for your car only. Or you can take actual expense, and actual expense, it's gonna be payment for your car, or if you're leasing the car, it's your lease payment, your insurance, your repairs, your gas, your tires, whatever it is. And you can look and decide which one, which option is better for you. Like it's obvious. Number three, what you can do, I never did it, but I heard that many people do it and it's really helping. It's to hire your own kids to do the work for you. So let's say it has to be your own kids. It cannot be your neighbor kids, and they have to be less than 18 years old. And if we're talking about rental business, property rentals, they can clean for you, right? And you can pay them. And when you're paying them 1099, and it can be up to, I believe, $6,000 or $7,000. And if you pay your kids, they don't pay taxes that you're gonna pay. Just try to do it. It's really good. Number four, again, I started just this year and I'm trying to share with you too. If you have your company, which we already established you will, right? You can have a retirement plan. Like think about your retirements right now. And if you are self-employed, you can have a solo 401k plan. And it's basically you're putting money away for your retirement. You don't pay taxes right now, but you're gonna pay when you're gonna take this money out. And for a 401k, I believe it's about $19,500 for this year. So let's say if you make $50,000, you can just put this $90,500 to your retirement account and you don't pay taxes on it, which is pretty cool. Okay, another deduction that I think it's really cool, it's a home office deduction. And many people say that it's a red flag, like IRS gonna audit you if you use it. If you really use your home as an office for your business, absolutely use it. All what you need to do is just to look how to do it correct way. Let's say that this is a room in the house that I'm using specifically for my YouTube business. You know, I'm recording video, I have I don't know, my equipment here, my computer, you know, and I also use it for my real estate business. It's also in this room, it's about 300 square feet. So all what you need to do is to calculate this percentage, and you can deduct your mortgage, your utilities, repairs, whatever it is, go for it. Don't be scared. I'm absolutely doing it. Next one is my favorite one. It's educational expenses. That's what I'm talking about all the time, that you need to educate yourself. You need to take classes. You need to read books. You need to go for these seminars, you know, or on Zoom meetings, take classes online. All this, it's tax deductible because it's all your business expenses, because you put money into your business, into you, to grow yourself and to grow your business. So all this educational expenses, it's tax deductible. Then equipment. Again, what you are using, if you're talking about rental properties, if we bought some tools, you know, some things that need to run our rental business, it's all tax deductible. For my YouTube business, I bought a new computer, and it's tax deductible. It can be, I don't know, desk, chair, microphone, whatever, you can deduct it all. Number eight, it's travel expenses. Don't you love to travel, right? If you do like to travel, leave a comments. I know that this year it was not a lot of travel, but hopefully next one it's gonna be much better. But if you travel and you spend 4 hours per day on your business, you can deduct everything. You can deduct your hotel, your flight, your food, your car rental, everything. So let's say you're planning to go to Cancun. Why don't take couple hours, not couple hours, 4 hours actually, per day, and have a meeting with a real estate agent and go and see if probably you could buy property in Cancun, which can be vacational rental, and it's gonna help you to grow your business, you know. Or if you have a YouTube channel, why not to record a couple of videos, and all your trip can be tax deductible too. And again, disclaimer, I'm not a tax professional. I have a license, you know, to do taxes about 10 years ago, which expired right now. I'm not doing it for anybody else, but it's your decision. Like for me, what's really work, I used to have a CPA, which was doing all my accountants and my taxes. It didn't help me. I got audited by IRS, you know, and if you're interested, leave a comment. I'm gonna share this experience with you. It was not that scary. And I prefer to do everything by myself. And what I did, I just went online and I purchased this product. Not making money out of it. On Amazon, it's about $120. It's for, I can file up to 5 returns with this CD, and I'm doing it myself. And I highly recommend you guys trying to do it yourself, because nobody knows your business the way you do. And if you're gonna try doing it, and it doesn't work, you can always return this, not a big deal, and try to go and hire CPA. I highly recommend to do it yourself. If it's not working for you, it's not. I just love numbers, so it's you're gonna love, but it's one of my favorite seasons to do taxes and see how we did, and all this. And it's also, I don't have any system, like fancy one, how to do my taxes and all. I just put all my receipts in the envelope, what is their tax 2020. So right now I just gonna pull out paper, and try to do it myself. Guys, I really appreciate you watching this and all your support. If you like the video, please leave a comment and smash this like button. It's really helping me to grow, and I hope I'm gonna continue to be with you and share some helpful tips. If you have any questions or I missed something, leave a comment. Thank you.